Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mohini with a new product. This is a dupe for a previous product that I uploaded called the Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. So this is a good dupe and alternative I found online. And it's by Revolution, and it's the Niacinamide Clarifying Essence Spray with chamomile extract. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. It has a great spray effect. And you can wear it as a primer or for skincare before you put your makeup on or when you're putting on your cream right before. So it comes with a decent amount. You can spritz it on your face. Has a great sprayer. And I think it is very affordable. It's around under $15 for sure. I don't know if you've heard about the brand Revolution. They're quite affordable and they have great dupe products on the market. So let me know if you guys tried this product before. If you were looking for a dupe, let me know how it affects your skin. I have dry skin and it works great for me. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updated videos on beauty and lifestyle. Thanks so much for watching.